In this video, I will show you how you can turn off audio blocker on your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just go to settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on security and privacy. From here, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the option for audio blocker. You just tap on it, and from here just disable this toggle to turn off audio blocker on your phone. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, and after you do that, you will turn off audio blocker on your phone. Now if you just disable this toggle, you will turn off audio blocker for 30 minutes. And after the 30-minute period, it will turn back on automatically. Now if you want to turn off audio blocker permanently, then just scroll down on this page and you will find the option for turn on automatically. And just turn off this toggle. And after you do that, the auto blocker option will be disabled permanently until you turn it back on manually from here. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.